The street food of Hanoi is everywhere. It's something you notice immediately upon getting here. You can see it, you can smell it, you can hear it, and it is delicious. Whether it's someone cooking something on some kind of homemade cooking device, whether it's the fruit or the vegetables brightly colored, or whether it's simply some food you have never seen in your entire life, it's everywhere. So we decided we'd make one video just dedicated to some of our favorite treats that we found in Hanoi. And we can start right here actually. This is right in front of our hostel. We just stayed right here. So literally on our doorstep, we have this lady here selling ban bao, which is steamed bun. So we'll go check it out. It's basically like a giant dumpling. This bread is like no other bread you've seen. It's not like normal bread where it's brown, has a crust on it. It's like a white gelatin bread. So inside there's like meat and vegetables, onion and egg. Really great. I've been having one every morning. So that's my favorite. We'll show you a couple more, but this one here is just incredible. Like I said, the bread is just so different than any other bread you ever had. Really great.
So look at this, yummy. This noodle dish is called pho here in Vietnam, and it's a popular dish for the locals to start their day with. So let's try it. The soup is really warm. It's perfect for this cold morning.
So we got some egg and coffee here. What this is instead of putting cream, they put egg whites. So it's real thick. I just spilled it. It's real thick. You gotta really mix it up. And it's really filling, is one thing we noticed compared to normal coffee. I'm sure if you didn't have time for breakfast, you would just have one of these because it fills you up, man. But it's really nice. Kinda has the texture of like melted ice cream, like it's thick, frothy, but it's nice, man. So decided to get egg and Coke, just to give it a try. Did you just drink it? It's not bad. Your brain says, don't do it, but your mouth says, it's not too bad. It's kind of nice. It really is kind of nice.
You like it? It's not bad, or is it good?
I think it's good. I think it's good.
I want to try it.
Yeah, it's good. It's definitely good. It definitely tastes good. So there you have it. Egg and Coke. 5 stars. So we got a banh mi, just a little sandwich. Every place has their own kind of variation on what's inside. It's usually barbecued meat and vegetables on a good bun. The bun really makes the sandwich. You know, the bun is really good because, let's face it, you got a bad bun, you got a bad sandwich, right? This banh mi cost 25,000 dong, which is like $1.50, just under $1.50 Canadian. Not bad for a good sandwich for lunch. Little banh mi, 5 stars.
Hey guys, so we're in this area right now where there are lots of restaurants around, and I just ordered something called the Ban Chuon. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's steamed roll. So let's see. I think they have some meat inside. It's pork, and they top it off with I don't know what these are. I think it's dried shrimp and with some fried onion. So now you can put some chilies into the sauce, with some lime. So you put some cilantro and some basil and some chili, and then you dip it in this fish sauce. I think this is fish with lime. So he just brought out another dish, spring rolls, crispy spring rolls. I'm not sure if this is specialty, but definitely Vietnamese spring rolls is really good, really crunchy, so let's try it. With carrot, meat, glass noodles, and mushroom inside. So good. Do you like it, Steve?
It's good. Very good. What'd you say? Who's first?
4.
So there you have it, guys. Those are our favorite foods we tried in Hanoi. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next video.